So what's gonna happen on Monday, because we have a massive institution buying those stocks before the market close. Let's build our strategy for Monday, where the price will squeeze at, where we're gonna see another short seller will drive price down, and when we should take our profits, because here we want to make profit, not just watching the price go up then go down on us. It's called the hunter way of trading. So let's get right to it and start our video with Hausa, or HUSA. So this stock went crazy up from our last live streaming on Thursday. The price for Houston American Energy Corporation was around the $3.24 when we talked about this exponential average as a support, and we expected the price to jump before the market closed because a huge institution bought, and right now testing the $5 as we expected before the market closed. And if we saw here a clear test for our resistance, the $5.02. So what we should expect for HUSA for Monday, will be important level to confirm, because we have first signal, which is our exponential average here, and accumulation, and the price jump, and right now testing precisely the $5, and we close around the $5. So we have to add some confirmation signals, not just our exponential average and our resistance and support. Let me just check another confirmation using Lux Algo Premium and add the confirmation. You see, we have the signal here when the price went down on us around the 8th of March, and we could actually get out here because we have this signal with adding with the support, of course. Then the price went down, and right now we have a nice buy signal for our stock, and we can see down here for Lux Accelerator Premium, the price turning right now down into green, from red to green. So this is another signal to confirm that the price is starting to reverse. As if we go back in time here, we have a buy signal with Lux Algo is turning to green, and before even the jump we did around the 6th or the 7th of March. Let me add another confirmation for this one and see the price projection for HUSA, or Houston American Energy Corporation, and do a trend projection and see what's gonna happen. You see that we have a massive short. If the price didn't hold above the $5, we're gonna see the price gravitate down. You see here, this is a projection of the price. However, if we hold above the $5, you see this massive institution buying will drive the price up again. Let me just take this off again and look how crazy it is. As you see here, adding confirmation is really important to add confluence and a projection of price if we overcome the resistance. Not just the resistance around the $5, but the $9.44 will be a technical squeeze area, as we saw even from Lux Algo confirmation for price projection for the coming days, which is the $9.44. So by Monday, we need the closing candle above the $5. After that, we're gonna see another jump, because we did 38%. We might see another jump around the 9.44, and then rejection, because we're gonna see a bit of selling pressure. However, we need to hold the $5 above the $5 in order to continue to go up. And right now we need by Monday closing, as we said, above the $5 to confirm the price continuation up and not rejection around the $5. And we're going around the $2.15. Just be careful. There is a turning point right now for Houston American Energy Corporation. Next up, we have CEI. Of course, we talked about it last time we did the video for CEI around the April 13. And what we talked about this exponential average around the 0.86 precisely. We tested before, and we tested Thursday. And guess what? If we go back again, the price went exactly around the 0.86 and closed below. We saw the 0.91, but the price went down again. So this is a nice test, because we have 2 days test here the day before on Wednesday we tested 0.86 and went down, and right now we test above the 0.90 and price went down and closed this time around the 0.86. Right now the 0.86 confirmation like a trigger for CI to see the squeeze near the $1. If we close above the $1 next time, we're gonna see initiation for this squeeze. Right now it's still not confirmed yet. We need to see the pre-market by Monday in order to see confirmation. If we have the price testing pre-market around the $1, this will be a nice confluence for a bullish trend continuation, and squeeze will happen by Monday. If we have the price never overcome this 0.86 and we see on the red, is mean there's a big bullish trend forming and retesting the 0.70. So it will be a confirmation for pre-market, and we're gonna do a pre-market update for that for CI and a lot of stocks on our Patreon here, because we do it daily before even the market open, in order to take a profit and buy around the nice support. As you can see here for Tesla and AMC, we did the alert lately. If you want to hunt before the price rejection or price explosion. Next up we have IMPP as well. This one was a nice trade we did, because we talked about this box and potential buying pressure will happen. The price happened precisely around the $1.14, and we talked about this box because it starts from the $1.14 until above the psychological level, which is the $1. The price go again, retest the $1.45, and right now $1.47 and close above our resistance. So this is nice close for Thursday last trading session for last week, because the beginning of the week we have the gap and testing the $1.45 rejection, the price go down and right now close above. So what we should expect by Monday, we need to confirm that we're still trading above the $1.45. There's a potential we might see a gap for IMPP and see the price at least testing the $2. The $2 we might see a test for the next week around the $2 if we hold above this resistance. Right now is the support, which is the $1.45. A nice trade. New here, we always talk about AMPP, and we said the $2.80 will be the squeeze area after we confirm the holding above the $1.45. Next up we have Endo, have the same reaction as Houston Energy Corporation, because if we go to Endo, the price went precisely at our execution average here and bounced perfectly and filled the gap that we did here around the 7th of March. And as well we can see Lux Algo is turning green after the massive red shift here. We see price jump crazy up, and with this confirmation from holding above this execution average. Next week we might see the 29.37 and retest for the 22.23, then continue to have the squeeze area around the 36.62. so be careful. Just 29.39 will confirm if we have a parabolic continuation for the price up another 100% for Endo, or a gravitation accumulation around the 22.23, then continue for the 36.62. Let's go right now and see the other one, AEI. AEI is still accumulating. You see that what we did before, we talked about the 0.99, we went until the 0.95, get rejected, and we went precisely as we expected around the 0.60, and right now we holding, we consolidating above the 0.60. So this is a nice, because we're still holding this ascending line for AEI, and by Monday we need something to happen, which is holding and accumulating again above the 0.60. Then the confirmation for like institution buying is overcome the 0.71, then continue to go up around the 0.99. so this will be a turning point right now, holding above this ascending line and testing an explosion from the 0.71, confirming that institution bought AAI and the price will continue to go up again. Let me just do a bonus stock for you, which is NILE, and for this one is still holding above the 0.51 as expected after the rejection around the $1.05 double top, as you can look here around the 21st of March and the 25th of March, confirming that the price is going down, and we didn't hold even this ascending line. This right now is the last support and the last bottom to confirm that we continue to do double bottom right now, not double top, and this is will confirm the explosion again. So the 0.51 should be the support. I'm just confirming because if we go down below it, this is a big warning sign for continue for a bearish momentum. However, if we hold, this is will confirm the double top here, the double bottom here, and the price will retest the 0.72, the first signal for confirmation for accumulation and institution bought, and the $1.05 will be the signal, the second signal for squeeze, or the confirmation for the squeeze to see the $1.46 and beyond. And let's go to do another one, which is GME, holding the 133, perfect bounce, and right now we have a resistance around the 200, below the 200. If we continue to hold above the 133, will confirm that we doing the lower highs, and this will confirm that we're gonna have a massive reversal and squeeze for GME. You see here, get rejected, then here confirming for lower highs, then boom, we'll have explosion. The next time we overcome the 200 here, we might see even the 250 easily, then the 300 for GME. Hopefully that was clear, and let me know if you have any question in comment section below. Hopefully you have a nice weekend and ready for Monday for a massive explosion for a lot of stocks. Be ready, have notification, hunt. Don't just react and have FOMO buy on the top. No, be strategic, calm, patient, then just jump and buy and take your profit and get out. So without further ado, hopefully that was informative, and see you in the next update.